Hello, welcome to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be covering the SolidWorks User Interface. So let's open the shaft arm we used in a couple of lectures back, or you can download it from the asset folder, and I'll browse to my file location and click open. And on the SolidWorks screen, up here you have your menu bar pull down. And we've worked with this in the past, and just the file has options to save. And please feel free to browse in here to see what you have in there. For example, under is set, you have more feature options that you can select. Some of it you have up here already, and some of it you can select it down in here from the fillet. You have the patterns, and they've arranged it based on what the feature category. So you have the pattern and mirror, you'll find them in here. Features, you find them in there, and so on. And up here you have the options to start a new document, open, save, print, rebuild, and your options. And down here, this is called the Command Manager tab, and these are just different tabs for the different tools you need to create your model in SolidWorks. For example, we have the feature tab, which has all the features you need. Not all, but majority of the features you'll be using. And the sketch tab has all your sketch tools. The surface tab has all the tools you need to create a surface, sheet metal, and so on. And to add more of this tab over here, what you can do is right click on it. And if I click weldment, for example, it is going to add the weldment tab with all the tools for the weldment to create a weldment. And if you want to remove anything, you can just right click anywhere on the tab again and select it to uncheck it, and it'll take it off. So that's what that is. Down here, this is called the heads up view toolbar. And these are just different tools that are very useful to navigate your model on your screen. For example, the first one is Normal Tool. So watch my part. When I click Normal Tool, it makes it Normal Tool. It's pretty much turns it into like a two-dimensional view and makes it Normal Tool. And the next option is just a zoom to fit. So when you click it, no matter where your model is, you click zoom to fit, and it fits in there. And you can hover over them to see what each one does. The next one is a zoom to area. So when you click it, whatever area you want to zoom to, you just click, drag. I clicked and I'm still holding it, and I just drag it out and I click again to zoom to that area. So that's what that is. The next one is just to go back to the different views you're in. So that's what that is. I'm going to move back to the screen. The next one is a section view. This is very useful. You'll be using this a lot. And the section view has the options up down here, so you can section it by different planes. And this is all based on how your model is designed. And we'll cover this in detail, as this will be more clear to you when we start creating our models on the plane. So this model is sectioned about the right plane right now, and I can change it to the front plane. So that's what the section view does. I'm going to exit out. And the next one is just your view orientation. So you can select different view orientation. The next one is the display style. And the next one is hide and show your constraints. So there's different things in here you can hide and show. For example, you can hide and show your top level annotations. You can hide and show your relations, and so on. And the next one is your appearance, and the next one is your scene. So you have your heads up view toolbar up here. The most important thing on this page is your feature manager tree. And your feature manager tree are just it allows you to arrange all the features that are used to create your part. So look at this part over here. These are all the features that I used to create this part. So you have your feature manager tree up here. So as you are building your part, those features that I used to build the part will be listed over here. And under your feature manager tree, you will have your, again, what we call your sketch feature, which you can drop down to the sketch. And in here, you can right click and to edit your sketch. And you can do so much more in here. And we are going to cover it as we move on. So I just want to show you the user interface. So feel free to play with all this stuff. You can't mess anything up. The best way to learn is just to look around and see where things are and just get yourself familiar with where different tools are located. And if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.